Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website so you can download driver. So after that, this is search icon, just click on it and then enter the model number of motherboard. AORUS RTX 2080 Stream 8G, and after that your motherboard will search on this website and then click on the product, and this is your, click on the title and then click on support. Then select your operating system, Windows 10, 11, 7, 8, 8.1. So all the operating system driver installations process same. This is your driver and this is download icon. When you click to download icon, it will start downloading in the download box. You can see it will take some time, 4 to 5 minutes, and it is completed. Then go to 3 tab, right hand side corner, and this is download icon. Download, just click on it. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see Nvidia package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that, you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete, driver installations will start. After that, you can see, okay, now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon, next, license options, then here to step finished, and after that also completed driver, then restart your system.